Hi guys, Lincoln here from molalincoln.com. Welcome to another episode of Web Development for Non-Programmer, an episode where we go through the art of developing awesome websites. Today we are going to start with Intro to WordPress. Like I said in the previous videos, we are going to be using WordPress CMS to build these awesome websites that we are going to be building in the course of this tutorial. And because of that, today I just feel like showing you first what is WordPress out of the box and what does it get to you, and I will tell you what the different features and functionalities means, and we'll go from back end to front end, and you can really see how simple and how awesome the WordPress CMS content management system is. So I hope you have you already bought your domain name from the previous videos and hosted with probably HostGator or whichever hosting company you choose, and you have installed WordPress. If you've done all that, then this video is for you. If you haven't, you may watch it and do those ones later and come around again and install WordPress on your host. So at this point, if you've successfully installed WordPress on your host, this is what you will get. You get something like this. This is the default WordPress theme for 2017. It doesn't really have so much, but it's good enough for me to explain what this WordPress site looks like. So if you look at the front right now, it will show you test site, customize. This is the name of our site. So, and this is the front end. It has this bar up here, so this is your login details and everything. So for you to go to the back end to see things that happen, you need to click on this. This takes you to your dashboard, takes you behind the scene. So you just click that part, this section, and it brings you back to this dashboard. So in your dashboard you can customize your dashboard however you want it to give you relevant information. By default, this WordPress news will keep coming in, but this part is not where most people look at. Next is updates. So updates will tell you things that you need to update if you have the latest version, depending on plugins and themes. As you can see now, we have all our plugins are up to date, and it's something to keep. It's the good practice to keep your plugins and themes always up to date. So if you see if there is something that needs update, there will be a red icon showing the number of updates that is needed up here, and you will see it somewhere around here. But because everything we have now is up to date, we are not seeing that. That's a very fine thing. Next here is posts. Now posts are like your blog. This is basically blog. So posts, and we are in this particular episode, we are going to look at post pages and media, how they differ. So posts are the blog. They are things that you write maybe on a daily basis. So by default, the hello world post comes with every WordPress installation. So when you install WordPress, it comes with this hello world. So what we are going to do now to add a new post is just to add new. Click on add new. It's just like, it's basically your blog. That's it. It's weblog. You add a new post every day. Let's say this is just a new post. This is just another post. So how do you publish a post? Now, to make this look a little bit fine, let's go to Google and get some Lorem Ipsum. And Lorem Ipsum is a tool you will need it's kind of like a placeholder for you to get some paragraphs in. So let's just get this version of Lorem Ipsum. It's not that great. This one is in French. You can get whatever version you like from the internet, and it won't matter. So let's just put it there, and you can see this is it. So for you to publish it, just click on publish and it's going to tell you that it is already published. Now you can edit your publish setting here. This is where you can edit publish setting to maybe publish on a later day, publish right on. So you can have 15 articles that you can schedule how they will be publishing. And this is the space. This is inside your text editor. You can for example, let's make this bold now. I mean, you just use it like you're using your Microsoft Word. It's that simple. Now when we start getting into more deep section of this web development, I'm going to show you some back-end page builder that will help you to make your job easier. So for now, this will do. So let's update that. Don't ever forget to update when you make any changes, because without updating, the change won't be seen. So let's see. So right now, this is our post. This is the Laurel Lipson. This is just another listing by who? Admin. For right now, this is the test site, and everything is still looking okay. It's looking fine. I mean, from the standard of it, I mean, this is as simple as it comes. And we can see that right now we have just 2 posts, the hello world and this other one. So it doesn't really say so much. So let's go back to the front page, and by default the way it's set is that it displays all of the posts at once. So next thing we are going to do we are going to do right now is we are going to media. So after post, you see media, your media library. Right now we don't have anything on our media library, and it's not a good thing. Every piece of graphics that you're going to be using on this site will be on your media library. So let's add some stuff here. So I'll go to desktop here, and I'll pick some let me pick this and upload it. So that's how you add images to your media library, and whatever image you've added to your image library, you can use again at any time, at any moment in the course of your this thing. You can add new, you can go back to library and see what images are there. So we can use this image as we want, and this shows the size. We can crop, we can edit as the case may be. Next, I mean, since this is just a kind of preview, is pages. First, right now we don't have any page because by default our post is just showing from our home page. So what we are going to do is to add new. Just pages are kind of like the same process like post. The only difference is that post will show up on a certain page, and you kind of post differently on different days. A lot of things with posts, you allow comments and others, but pages don't allow that. I mean, you could configure the page, but the page is where the post is going to sit in. So let's say this is a page. We might create a couple of pages. This is a page, and let's give it some Laurel Lipson too. Let's get it some. So, and let's put publish right now, and that's how you publish it, just like the post, and publish. That's nice. And let's view the page. To view any page you are editing, just click on view page here, and it takes you to the front. Now this has a kind of like a left sidebar here, this space that is here. So we are going to be doing a lot of things about that. So first of all, you need to know some things. Like after these pages, we are going to, you don't really need comments shows all the comments. We are going to appearance and plugin in the next video. Thank you very much. It's been me, Ola Lincoln, and see you in the next video.